welcome to Car Traction, and in today's video we have a brief history and review of the classic British Jaguar XJ. Featured today are the early examples of this iconic series, including the Series 1, 2 and 3, while also including the Daimler examples. In October 1968, the Mark I Jaguar XJ6 was introduced to the world at the Earls Court Motor Show. Two straight-six configuration engines were available, one of 2.8 litres and the other one of 4.2 litres, and the only way of identifying the engine from the outside of the car was through a subtle badge at the back. The 2.8 litre car is far rarer than the 4.2, and just under 20,000 XJ6 Series 1s were built. In October 1969, the Daimler edition was released, the only difference being the crinkle-cut grille and different badging. Early 1970 saw a new Borg-Warner gearbox replace the aging Type 8 gearbox. In July 1972, the Jaguar XJ12 saloon was released, featuring, you guessed it, a V12 engine. The new car had a different grille and some different badging to distinguish it from the Jaguar XJ6. It was not offered with manual transmission, oddly, and had a limited slip differential to cope with the 5.3-litre V12 monster that was capable of 253 brake horsepower. The car's top speed was a staggering 140 miles per hour, and when you take into account how heavy these cars, that's really quick. September 1972 saw the Daimler Double Six Van den Plat announced, with an extra 4 inches of wheelbase and special Van den Plat trim. The new Jaguar XJ Series II was released in September 1973 at the Frankfurt Motor Show. This also meant the 2.8 Jaguar XJ6 was discontinued. The Jaguar Series II XJ6 sported a smaller front grille, a higher front bumper, an updated dashboard, and a revised and updated heating system. The two-door XJ Coupe was also announced, but the pillarless Jaguar did not go into production until 1975 due to development problems. V12 Jaguar XJs received a Lucas or Bosch fuel injection, boosting power to 285 brake horsepower, plus improving economy. In November 1977, the coupe's production ended. The brand new Jaguar XJ Series III cars hit the road in March 1979 with a squarer roofline, more glass area for aided visibility, a steeper screen pillars and new bumpers. October 1980 holds the date for when the revised 3.4-litre Jaguar XJ was released, £500 cheaper to compete with the Mercedes 280e. September of 1981, and a new V12 engine was introduced. In October 1982, the Daimler name was dropped in favour of the Jaguar Sovereign, and the Van den Plat was dropped too. Jaguar XJ6 production ended in May 1987, and in May 1989, the still continuing V12 edition could run on unleaded fuel. And the V12 Jaguar XJ ended production in 1992. I absolutely love these XJs, especially some of the Series 1s with their 4-litre engine and the 2.8 ones. Obviously the 2.8 is a lot rarer, but obviously it's the smaller engine, so I'm not sure which I prefer, but I'm sure both of them have the performance to keep up with modern traffic, probably even faster than some of the modern cars. But yep, that's it for this video. I'll put on screen my notes. Yep, that's how much research. I've done about a day of research for this video, so if you could just take the 1 second to click that tempting red subscribe button just below the screen, I'd love it if you did that. So if you're doing that now, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments and drop a like by all means. Thanks for watching.